Good morning, everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 Box Break site. Breaking last night's Buy It Now, dual team Buy It Now of 11-12 Contenders. Doing it early this morning. It's only 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we got a lot of plans today with the little ones. So let's get this box broken so you guys can see what you're getting. So let's quickly run through our teams. Once again, thanks for everyone who participated in the case break the other night of Dominion. Quite a good case break. Hope you guys had a lot of fun. Now moving on to our box of 11-12 Contenders. Dual team Buy It Now. Nice and cheap for you guys. Anaheim, DJ Null's mom. Boston, Sean, 1989-77. Aeronome 2, the Sabres. Calgary and Carolina, DJ Null's mom. Zach Laurie got Chicago. Blue Nose, Columbus. Sean, 1989-77, Colorado. Felix Victoria, Dallas. Crows got Detroit. Aeronome 2, Edmonton. Felix Victoria, Florida. DJ Nell's mom, the LA Kings. Blue Nose got Montreal. Sean, Minnesota. Linda, Nashville. DJ Nell's mom, New Jersey. 46 Blitz 8 got the Islanders. The Rangers, DJ Nell's mom. Crow, Ottawa. Mogwai, Phoenix. Zach Laurie, Philly. Blue Nose got Pittsburgh and St. Louis. Linda Scout, the Sharks. Sean, 1989-77, Tampa. 46 Blitz 8, Toronto. Mogwai, Vancouver, and DJ Nell's mom rounds it out with Washington and Winnipeg. So thanks again, guys, for grabbing these dual teams. Our box number, as stated in our description, we got 181105615. Alright, good luck to everyone. The last Contenders box got us a nice booklet. Let's hope this one does the same. Alright, box is empty. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everyone. So one bonus will join us on this break. We'll take 2 chips for, I believe it'll be bonus box break 15 now. Base, base, spacer, base, base. Only downfall of Contenders, all these base packs. If there's any specific products you guys want to see broken over the next couple weeks, just let us know. Redemption. For the Edmonton Oilers and Aeronome 2, we continue to hit. NHL Inc. Duels Gold, card number 1. For Edmonton, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins and Taylor Hall. Congrats to Aeronome 2. What a great way to start the day. And base. Yeah, so that it was NHL Inc. Duels Gold. I believe they're out of 25. Base. Base. Not bad for a $10 dual team. Getting that card. Base. Base. Another hit for the Edmonton Oilers. It's an Oilers box going at Aeronome 2 with his second hit. We got NHL Inc. Tiemo Harkkinen. So Matt, back-to-back hits, gets the Nuge Taylor Hall, and then the Harkkinen NHL Inc. Base. Base pack. For the New Jersey Devils, and DJ and L's mom, number 295 out of 999. Calder Contenders, Keith Kincaid. Base. For the Chicago Blackhawks, and Zach Laurie, number 241 out of 999. Contenders Legacies, Dennis Savard. Base. Base pack. Base. Base pack. Base. Holy base packs. 3 packs left. Hey Matt, how's it going? For the Columbus Blue Jackets, and Blue Nose 87, Calder Contenders Auto, numbered 798 out of 800, Cam Atkinson. Yeah, I'll recap. You'll want to see what you got. And base. Cup Contenders for the Tampa Bay Lightning, and Sean 1989-77, numbered 527 out of 999, Steven Stamkos. And base. And last pack in this dual team buy it now of 11-12 Contenders. And another base pack. So 1 bonus. We'll take 2 chips for bonus box break. This will be for bonus box break 15. So we'll take the 2 chips. So first spot for bonus box break 15 going to the owner of the Philadelphia Flyers. Philadelphia, Zach Laurie. And our second one going to the owner of the Boston Bruins, and that is Sean 1989-77. So congrats to the 2 of you. Spots in bonus box break 15. So thanks again, guys, for participating in the break. Hope you enjoy it, and make sure to check out Sunday evening's auction, dual team auction of Crown. And once again, thanks for participating, everyone who participated in the case break of Dominion. All your cards are being mailed out today if I've received payment. So thanks a lot, guys, and enjoy your weekend.